Are you a hiatal hernia patient? If yes, chances are you are suffering from a bad chest or heartburn that is making life difficult for you. Yes, it is indeed a painful experience, but you can surely get rid of it if you follow a few exercises. 1. Cow pose. The cow pose works on the torso as well as the neck region. It will also massage your spine and belly. 1. Bring your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Your knees should be brought below your hips, and your wrists and elbows should be in line. 2. Your head should be brought in a neutral position. Keep your eyes towards the floor. 3. When you lift, bring your chest towards the ceiling. Your belly should sink towards the ground. 4. Now lift your head and look forward. 5. Exhale, and when you do that, bring your tabletop position on your hands and knees. Do this for around 10 to 20 times. 2. Side bends. 1. Stand up and keep your back straight. Your feet must be placed a little apart. 2. Keeping your right arm down to the side, lift your left arm straight above. 3. Bend towards the right side, making sure you are not bending forward or backward in the process. 4. Stay in that position for a few seconds and return to the first position. 5. Repeat the same, keeping your left arm down to the side and the right arm lifted straight above. 6. Do 20 repetitions on each side. 7. You can also perform this exercise using weights. 3. Hip extension stretches. There are plenty of hip extension exercises you may try. This one is, however, the best. 1. For this exercise, you need to lie down on your side and keep your back and knees straight. 2. Now take your legs towards the sides. Your knees should be kept straight. 3. Bring one of your legs upwards, keeping the other one down. 4. Hold for 3 seconds and then bring the leg down. 5. Repeat 10 times and then do with the other leg. Home remedies and quick natural tips. Here are a few ideas you can try at home in order to fix hiatal hernia naturally. Let us know whether they worked for you. 1. Drink a glass of water the minute you wake up in the morning. It should be warm. If you have been drinking coffee or tea, we suggest you to skip that. 2. When you are standing, simply bring your arms towards the sides and just bend the elbows in such a way that your hands touch the chest region. 3. Stand on your toes as much as you can and simply drop down. It should be a decent jolt. You can drop down like this a couple of times. 4. So when you are standing up with your arms upwards in the air, you can breathe a couple of short breaths with your mouth wide open. Hold for 15 seconds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.